Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Hey, today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this gorgeous new 2024 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. Just arrived. Beautiful, timeless white hull design here. You can see it has the optional bow sunshade here from the profile. Hardtop, you have the aft sunshade as well. Chrome logos from Boston Whaler here. Standard dive door. Really makes this one special. It's the first one we've received with the new V10 400 Mercuries. This thing has to be an animal. Can't wait to run it. Underwater lights. This is probably one of the most versatile boats on the market. You can fish it, dive it, cruise it, overnight on it. A little bit of everything. Has so much shade here for our South Florida market, so much seating, and it runs offshore really well. Just as good as the center console in my opinion. Look at these 400 V10s. Absolutely gorgeous. This back-to-back seat can be put in several different positions, from a lounge to a forward-facing, aft-facing. You have a huge pull-out bench seat that's actually standard that you can fold away when you're fishing or diving to have more cockpit space. The dive door is standard on this. It opens from the inside, so it's just so overdone for a whaler, just overbuilt, excuse me. Standard prep station here with a live well, wet sink. There's an optional barbecue you can do here, an electric grill from Kenyon. The hardtop is absolutely gorgeous. You have spread lights. It's built like a tank. Look at the support structure on this. Now you have a double passenger seat up here as well, which is electric up and down, and it will also swivel 180 degrees so you can face aft if you like. Gorgeous captain's chair here with thigh-rise bolsters. 16-inch Simrad GPS here. Room for another one if you like. Mercury GPO joystick piloting system. DTS controls. In this area here, it's a really nice little cabin area here. It does fold out to be a bigger bed. You can get the boat with air conditioning as well. This particular one does not have it, but nice area to get out of the weather or use for storage. In front of the helm here, starboard side, you have a gorgeous head with a vacuum flush toilet. Can be a changing area. Nice sink. Easy step to go down. Moving up to the bow area here is really deep. So you have a real safe feeling of riding in the bow on this boat. You have the optional filler board here, which can make this a complete lounge. You also have another table up here. Freshwater shower up here. You have access to your windlass controls. It's all concealed, which is beautiful. Turning around. Just look at how beautiful this windshield is. Just again, overbuilt. This boat will run, with the V10s, I haven't run it yet, but it should run in the mid-50s for speed, and just go anywhere you want down here. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. This is a 2024 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage with the new V10 400s on it. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.